Hey crafty friends, it's Alyssa with Crafting to Cope, and I'm on today to share what I think is happy mail. So I received 2 packages from Teresa, and Teresa is one of my subbies, and she's such a loyal subby. She's always commenting on my videos, and she joined in my challenges, and she's just so great. Well, she sent me something I wasn't expecting it, so it's 2 packages. So let's open one up and see what she sent. So, in the first one, we have a card. So she sent a card. It says Alyssa. We'll start there. Ooh, look at that. This paper's cool. It's like textured. So it's this pretty like pinky peach rose. And look at this cute little jar with, it looks like the little kind of like dandelions that you blow. And then she put some inked around the edges. That's so cute. So let's see what she said. She says, I saw the fabric and thought of you. I love your channel. Love, Teresa. Oh, and look at this. It has all these cute little stickers inside. I love that. All right, let's see. So she sent this package and she put some cute dangles on here. Let's check those out first. So there is, hello. There's this cute keychain, and look, it has green, which is my favorite color, and then this cute little animal print with the little teal in there, which is also one of my favorite colors. My rings are all turned. That is so cute. Thank you so much. I love little purse dangles and keychains. I can switch it up to match my bag or whatever. Oh, and then let's look at this one. It's like metal. I've never seen anything like that. So it's this adorable girl all dressed up with her shopping bag and her purse and her cute little high heels. And then look, if you flip it over, it's the back of her. I've never seen anything like that. That is so cute. I like that. All right, let's see. I think I have to take this off to open up this bag. So it has this little tiny lobster clasp on it. Let me see if I can get it open. I need some like trifocals or something. I need bifocals. I have to go back to the eye doctor. I have the worst vision. Not all the time. I think maybe I need readers or cheaters or something. All right. I got it open, but I haven't gotten it off yet. Bear with me here. There we go. So I'll put that back together. Look how cute that is. So cute. And then in here, there's some goodies. Oh, this must be the fabric. Let me get that open. Look at that. She sent adorable kitty fabric. Oh. So I have, if you're new to my channel, I have 2 cats. One is, he'll be 17 in October, and his name's Cheeto. He looks a little bit like this, but a lot bigger. And then I just recently got a kitten, like 2 months ago, and he looks a little bit like this, but darker. And his name is Zamboni. One was named by my oldest son, one was named by my youngest son. And they're just so cute. I love this. I will totally use this as, I think like I'll iron it and use it as a journal cover. Wouldn't that be so cute? And then all the pretty flowers in the background. Thank you so much. I think it's so sweet when people send me these little gifts. I mean, it's totally not expected. And then when they say, I thought of you when I saw this, it's just, I don't know. It makes my heart so happy to think that somebody's out shopping and they're thinking of me, like a complete stranger. But it's so sweet, and it just, I don't know, it just makes my whole day. So thank you so much, Teresa. You're so sweet. I love it, and I'm definitely going to create something with it, and I'll share that with you. Adorable. And then let's see. This is Vicky Booten, Where to Next die cut paper clips. Ooh, I don't know that I have anything like this. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Look at all of those goodies in there. Oh, fun. Here, let's use this. So they're little paper clips, and this one has plastic on it. So I think I gotta push it out. How fun. Like, you can totally just add these to your like journals. You can even use them as bookmarks. So there's like little plastic ones and then little like laminated paper. And look at this cute one. I love this one with the camera. So there's hearts and stars. There's a whole bunch of them. What do these say? Let's go. So the good stuff. The scenic route. Love this. Oh my goodness, those are so cool. I've never seen anything like that. So like on the back you get stars, hearts, like the icons, and then these cute ones that are, they're like laminated, so they're pretty durable. Oh, how cute. I'm gonna put those in with my paper clips, so I'm sure to use them in like a journal or as an embellishment. How cute. Thank you so much, Teresa. You're so sweet. I'm gonna put them in here. I don't want to lose any. There's a lot in this little package. Very cute. I love finding new things I haven't seen before, so that was fun. All right, and then I see that she sent these. They're little squishies, and I have an 11-year-old who's actually going to be 12 tomorrow. Can you believe that? I can't. My baby's going to be 12. It's his birthday tomorrow, and we have a fun day planned. Oh, thank you. I'm definitely probably going to lose these to him, but that's okay. It'll bring me joy to see him happy. But tomorrow is my youngest's birthday, and we are going to spend the day at an indoor water park. We wanted to go to an outdoor water park, but I don't think it's going to be hot enough tomorrow. Okay. So there's 2 packages here. Let's see what this other one is. This bag's pretty cool. I wasn't expecting anything, let alone 2 packages. Make sure I got it all in there. I did. Those are nice, sturdy packages, too. All right, let's see. We got a card here. Oh, it says open May 4th. I wonder if this got lost in the mail. Because I just recently, my sweet friend Iris from Shorty Custom Creations sent me a Mother's Day card, and I just got it. But it was postmarked like forever ago. So I wonder, I don't think these have a state, like they don't, it doesn't have a cancellation on it. So I don't know if this took a long trip to get to me too, but it says open May 4th. And it is the middle of June, so I'm gonna open this now. Ah, she made me a May the 4th be with you card. Look at that. And look at that fun glitter. It says, hope you had a great May 4th. You rock. Love, Teresa. That is so sweet. Oh, yeah, I'm guessing maybe it got lost in the mail. Sorry, Teresa, but I'm enjoying it now. And then there's another envelope in here. Oh, it says thank you very much. Look at this envelope. I wish I would have opened it nicer. It's so cute. It says thank you very much. And then she wrote, I appreciate your channel and I love your how to do videos. You are an inspiration to me, friend. Love, Teresa. Ooh, she has a new YouTube channel, so I'm going to link it below. I didn't know that. I'm excited. I'm going to go check you out, Teresa. And then I'm telling you guys, Teresa is such a good supporter and she's so sweet and we all need to go check out her channel. So please go check her out. I will link her down below. And then she made an altered card. Look at that. And it is totally in the May 4th Star Wars theme. It has Chewbacca on it and it says life is a journey, and then she put some washi and these cute little stickers and then that button. Thank you so much. I'm sorry if it got here late. And then, ooh, what is this, a bookmark? Oh my goodness. Sorry for the noise. Look at this. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? So it's like a little jar and it has purple butterflies and little purple flowers and it's like textured. Oh my goodness, that is a cute bookmark. I've never seen anything like this either. What a fun idea. Thank you so much. Teresa, you're so sweet. Thank you for brightening my day and for the fun little Happy Mail gifts. I really appreciate you thinking of me. And I'm going to link Teresa down below. please go check out her new YouTube channel and give her a follow, and let's show her some crafty love. Thank you so much, Teresa, for making me feel so special. I appreciate you and all your support of my channel. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.